So I've had plenty of experience on both sides of the counter, behind the desk. And one thing that I will say that cannot be replaced, that's customer service. So what does that mean? When a customer walks in you've never seen before, your first impression means everything. You can go back and maybe get it better, but you'll never change that first impression. So the importance of developing a rapport, a relationship with the customer is invaluable. Give the customer the finger. What does that mean? Not what you're thinking. It means to acknowledge them. You're on the phone, you're busy, they respect that. But what they don't respect, if you turn your head, you face away, you start talking to someone else, acknowledge them, tell them that you'll be with them as soon as you can unless somebody else helps them. Right away, that lets them down. They can breathe a little bit. It's no different than going into a nice restaurant. You're with your companion and you're really excited about it. And you stand in front of the maitre d' and they ignore you for 5 or 10 minutes. You know they're busy. You see the restaurant's busy. But boy, wouldn't it be nice if somebody really cared and said, hey, I know we're busy, but we're going to take care of you. I don't care if that's the cook. I don't care if it's the busboy, whoever it is, all of a sudden I'm a real person in a business. Same thing carries over 100% in the auto business. And what I will tell you that I firmly believe, we are in the customer service business. That's it. We're in the customer service business. We happen to be working with automobiles and we happen to be smart and trained. But if we can't do the customer service, the acknowledgement, the first impression, we're fighting an uphill battle. Yeah, we might be experts. Yep, we may know more than the customer knows about their car. But if they don't feel the trust, they don't feel the genuine relationship, all that's for naught.